hot as shit. Let the accessory run. Gauge sweep. There you have it. That's exactly what we're gonna go do right now. So you know, it's time. We're in the shop. I got the kit here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll sort it out after in a little bit or whatever. But putting her on the lift right now. God damn. So here you have it. The damn DSG transmission 034 mount. And getting the final 2 bolts off so we can get access to it. Gives a lot of room, a lot of space. Alright, now we're about to drain the damn train. That doesn't look green, bro.
It's got a tinny green.
Tinny green is just dirty. I mean, you're master. Does that odor?
It's got a tinge of green, but it looks new. Is the fluid that's in it supposed to be green?
Yeah, bro. It's supposed to have a bad smell. I'm gonna show you real quick. It's supposed to have like a really strong odor. Dude, they might have put the wrong fucking fluid in there, man.
It's got a fucked up smell to it.
Does it? My nose kind of stuffy right now, so.
Don't smell like that.
Oh, fuck. So, it might have the wrong transmission oil in here. Fucking previous owner. I don't know what you guys doing. Where did you guys get this done at? But
if it is the same smell as when we wore down.
Right. Smell it as well. No smell is strong, bro.
Yeah.
It don't smell strong at
smell
all.
the other shit?
Yeah, it smells so bad. Yeah. Dude. Fuck. This smells like regular transmission oil.
It smells a little bit different than regular transmission.
Does it?
A little bit different.
I hope you're right. So yeah, if this is the incorrect transmission oil, then I don't know. Hopefully, if us putting the right transmission oil and doing a mech repair kit will fix it. But for future reference, for the people out there with a DSG trans, make sure your fluids is correct, because places are putting the wrong transmission oil. This is not just your ordinary regular transmission. It's a dual clutch transmission, so they require a specific type of oil in your transmission. You can't stress that enough, man. So make sure wherever you're taking it to, if it's not Audi themselves or Volkswagen, you're taking it to somewhere else, make sure they put the right transmission oil, or if you buy the oil, make sure it's correct. I would recommend FCP Euro, since they have lifetime warranty in their parts, and you will guarantee to have the proper parts and proper oil. So I know all my parts and oil and everything works properly, but if not, they'll send you another one, you know. So shout out to FCP Euro for the kit, but make sure that's the correct oil. The transmission line got to come out, and the wire harness line right there got to come out. Counterclockwise will pop it right out. A couple bolts to take that out. Be very careful. I've heard that as plastic, it can crack easily if you don't be gentle with it, I guess. Yeah, guys, it's a good old mech unit, Mechatronic unit. Oh, got the outside filter out. Looks like that. So it connects to the trans and the 2 lines. You gotta definitely check that out. Definitely be gentle with it. Alright, so we've got the, I guess, another connector, the inside piece. This piece right here was sitting inside right there. You definitely want to take that out, because that's where the harness goes into. So there's a bolt, you gotta take that out, and then you gotta take that out. So now I guess we're pretty much free to I guess we can drop the mech now. Well, there's a few more things you gotta take. You gotta bolt behind the tube here and 6 bolts. I watched a few videos, and from what I've heard, the bolts, the 6 ones that look different from all the rest of them, is the ones that would be attached. Like that's flatter one, pretty sure, and then that one, and then that one, and those one right there. So that's some sort of clip. I'll pop that shit off. Remember, don't break it, guys. All these shits are fucking plastic in here, man. It's ridiculous.
And expensive.
And expensive. Very, very expensive. Alright, so here's the mech, guys. Just sitting out here. The repair kit that we're about to go ahead and put on. Get a good look at that transmission. Word. Alright, so how many bolts were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 bolts holding on the circuit board here. 6 of them actually. That Brad's taking out. 7 of them. My fault, my mistake. Don't start yelling at me, people. There's 7 bolts that he gotta take out. The solenoid looks pretty good shape, thankfully. So hopefully the damn board would just fix the stupid issue. Alright, so he just put all the new little rubber, the green rubber piece on here in the bottom. I guess you can call it AKA washers in a way, maybe. And put in the new circuit board on, guys. This should be the updated one. So get rid of my issue. Keep looking over it, making sure. Putting the final clips back on, and just definitely make sure, I guess, we go over everything, make sure everything is good, and clean it off and drop the damn mech back into the trans. Put the transformer back into its place. This shit definitely looks brand new. Final step, you got torquing them down. Torque these holes down. And then put everything back. Alright, so he is like sanding down the side here, because where you took off the old gasket, there's still like old residue, right? You would say?
Yeah.
So we want to kind of like get that off and then put the new gasket in, or else it can start leaking or seeping, guys. So here is the correct transmission oil. It should have a little bit of like a greenish look to it. All right, so filling the damn transmission back up. So we actually bumped into something. If I don't know, y'all can leave a comment down below, whoever's experienced or guys who've done the transmission, DSU transmission. So the new fluid isn't green, but it smells really bad, like it's supposed to. I matched up the numbers and everything, and it looks to be correct. Hoping it's the correct fluid. I don't know, Audi might have like changed up the fluid The old one was brown. I'm not sure it was wrong or not now, but it didn't have that strong odor smell like this one does. So if anybody do know if it's supposed to be brown or green, let me know. Or I'm actually gonna go ahead and change the oil in here again, probably like 5 to 10,000 miles, just to like flush it well, clean it pretty good. What do you guys think? Should I put the liquid moly transmission oil? Because I know like those run a little bit cooler from what I've heard. And if anybody using that right now and have no issues, let me know, comment down below. But hopefully this video works out and help out a lot of people, man. But first of all, we still gotta make sure this shit fucking works first. So I'm not 100% sure. Alright, man, we just filled her up. It's gonna be the first check. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and roll through the gears, let the car run, and we're gonna check the transmission oil a few times, make sure it's sitting properly. The mechanic over there has all the proper information down, so he knows what to check for. I'm just gonna be doing what he tells me to do. I'm gonna try clear codes first. Alright, I think so. I think Brad got it all fixed, guys. We just put in reverse, and now I can reverse. Good shit. I guess we're gonna go test drive. Test drive? Alright. Hey, hand me the GoPro, bro, if you don't mind. I'm gonna strap that on. Alright, so we got the cars all set now. I think, you know, I'm praying everything's good right now. Reverse is back. The real test is I'm gonna go test drive right now. I have the scan tool on me here too, just to see. It took a little while to fucking clear the code because it wouldn't clear earlier, but I'm gonna go ahead and drive it now and see what happens. Hopefully that fixed the issue. Oh man, I don't have gearbox malfunction code, guys. I'm gonna take it easy, so like the whole transmission and everything like that. When I was able to get the car rolling on and stuff, the code actually cleared or whatever. But I'm test driving it a little bit, taking it easy. I got my reverse back. Everything is shifting well, shifting normal. Hopefully it's a go-go, bro. Alright guys, so it was a success. Shout out to that man over there. Staying in late. It's like fucking 11, 12 o'clock. He's always working on my car late as shit at night, man. Brad the man did it. We did a whole repair kit and Mechatronic unit. So if anybody need Mechatronic unit redone, but I'm gonna monitor the car. Hopefully that's it. And I'm actually gonna be a little bit nervous for a few days before I actually fucking go crazy with it again or whatever. But yeah, hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm gonna check out now. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been a long one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll let you guys know how it's like, maybe in like a week, couple days, I don't know. Depends. We'll see.